So now come to question number 28, exercise 1, phase 1, circle chapter. Obtain the equation of circle orthogonal to both circles. These circles are given. So first of all, observe these coefficients are not 1. So I will divide by 4. So x square plus y square minus 7x plus 29 upon 4 is equal to 0. Another circle is a x square plus y square plus 3x minus 5y plus 6 is equal to 0. So 2g, g is equal to minus 7 upon 2, g1, f1 is equal to 0, c1 is equal to 29 upon 4. From here, g2 is equal to 3y2, f2 is equal to minus 5 upon 2, and c2 is equal to 6. So condition for orthogonality. Let equation of circle which is orthogonal is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This be the required circle which is orthogonal to this S1 and S2 both. So this is S3. This is circle S1. Suppose this is circle S2. So S1, S2, S1, S3 are orthogonal. So from S1 and S3 are orthogonal. So twice of G1, G2 minus 7 upon 2G plus F1, F2. F1 is 0, F2 is equal to C1 plus C2. C plus 29 upon 4. So this will cancel this part. So minus 7 G is equal to C plus 29 upon 4. Equation number 1. Similarly, now we will take from S2 and S3, they are orthogonal. If they are orthogonal, same price of G1, G2 plus F1, F2 is equal to C1 plus C2. That formula we are using. So twice of, now with this circle I will take G1 3/2 into G plus F minus 5.2 into F is equal to 6 plus C. So 2 will cancel. 3G minus 5F is equal to 6 plus C. This is equation number 2. Next it is given whose center lies on this line. So center lies on this line 3x plus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. So we will solve these equations to calculate. So first let us eliminate C from equation number 1 and to eliminate C. So if I subtract this equation, minus 7G is equal to C plus 29 upon 4. This is equation number 1. Subtract. Minus plus. So 11G minus 5 is equal to 6 minus 29 upon 4. This is 29 upon 4. So this is 24 minus 29, 5 upon 4. This is one equation. Second equation, center lies on this. So 3x plus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. What is the center? Minus z comma minus f. So minus 3g minus 4f plus 1 is equal to 0. Solve these two equations. So what we will do? This is 3g plus 4f minus 1 is equal to 0. Multiply it by 5 and multiply it by 4. We will get two equations, solve for f and g, answer will come. So this will be 11 and 44, 11 into 4, 44g minus 20f is equal to 5. From here 5, 15g minus 20f is equal to, again this is 5. So minus plus minus, so this will give you g is equal to 0, they will cancel. If z is equal to 0, then you can calculate f also. From here 3g is equal to 1 minus 4f, z is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 1 minus 4f. So f is equal to 1 upon 4. G is equal to 0. So center is 0 comma minus 1 upon 4. Now this value you can put either equation 1 or 2 anywhere from equation number 1. From 1, g is 0. So 0 is equal to C plus 29 upon 4. This gives us C is equal to minus 29 upon 4. So equation of circle will be x square plus y squared plus 2gx 0 plus 2f. F is how much? 1 upon 4y plus C minus 29 upon 4 is equal to 0. So multiply by 4, you will get 4x squared plus 4y squared plus 2y minus 29 is equal to 0. So this will be the answer of that. This will be the orthogonal circle. So thank you.